Did you know that you have how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account? Today, we're not doing some of these processes that you see on YouTube. We actually gonna create multiple email addresses from one Gmail account. So with your Gmail open, click here on settings. Now click on see all settings. Go here at accounts and import. And here we can see our Gmail. I'm going to use this old email for example today. But first, let's understand each part of an email. Everything before this symbol is called the local part. Everything after the symbol is called the domain name. So your local part is your unique name for your email address. But we can easily make multiple addresses out of this email address. And the easiest part is that you don't need to use any site, any application, any extension. You just need to type your email exactly. You just need to type it with some differences. That's the plus addressing technique. So actually, all you have to do is type a plus after your local part of your email address and type anything you want. Doing that, you're creating a variation of your email address. So you can use this method to sign up in any platform that have a free trial. So I'll use this method as example for the video to start a 13-day free trial here on Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna click here. Now I'm gonna click here on create your Amazon account. I'll put my name here. You put the beginning of your regular email like this. And now what you're gonna do, you will add a plus and you type anything you want. With that being done, you will create multiple variations of your email. So I'm gonna do Prime Trial 1. So when this trial ends, I will go here and do the same thing, but I'll put Prime Trial 2 or Prime Trial 3 or anything you want, just Prime or just Trial. It's up by you. I put Prime Trial 1 and now you put the end of your normal email. Now I'll create a password. I'll be re-entering the password and I'm going to click here on create your Amazon account. You can save this email here. I don't want to do this, so I just go and click here on close. And now you can ask, my email verification will be sent to this new email that I just created? No, what you just have to do is go in here, open a new tab. Now I'm going to click here on Google Apps. Here I'm gonna open Gmail and here at my regular email, my authentication mail was sent here. I'm just going to enter the email and I'll use the code here. Now I'm going to create my Amazon account. Now all you have to do is put your credit cards or debit cards information here, and when the process is done, you can just cancel your subscription and you have the 13 days the same way. If the content helped you even a little bit, please leave a like on the video, and if it pleased you, and if you have any doubts or want to make a suggestion or a compliment, please leave it on the comment section. Bye!